In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sync in Gmail. First, let's start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. This is the app you use to send and receive emails. When you tap on the Gmail icon, you will see your inbox and any unread messages. It is important to ensure you are in the app because we need to access your email settings. This is a simple yet crucial first step. Once the app opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You should see your emails listed, along with the menu options at the top. Now tap the menu icon, represented by three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, or you can tap your profile icon if that's visible. This action will reveal a side menu that provides you with various options related to your Gmail account. It is important to find this menu as it leads you to the settings where you will enable sync. If you are unsure where to tap, look for the icon in the upper left corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. This section of the app allows you to customize your email experience. Here you can manage different settings for your Gmail accounts, such as notifications, themes, and data usage. This is where the magic happens, as adjusting the settings will help ensure your emails are synced properly. It is good practice to regularly check these settings to keep everything running smoothly. Next up, select your Gmail account from the list. If you have multiple accounts linked to your Gmail app, you will see them all listed here. Choose the account you want to enable sync for. This is an important step because enabling sync for the correct account ensures that you receive your emails in real time. Once you select the account, you will see more options specific to that email address. After that, look for the section titled Data Usage. In this section, you will find various settings related to how your email data is managed. This step is essential because it controls how frequently your emails sync with the server. You want to ensure that your emails are always up to date. The next option will be very important for keeping you connected to your emails. Now, turn on Sync Gmail. You will find a toggle switch next to this option. When you tap it, it will change from gray to blue, indicating that sync has been enabled. This is a vital step because enabling this feature allows your Gmail app to automatically update with new messages without needing to refresh manually. Once you see that toggle switch is active, you can feel confident that your emails will stay current. With that ready, you will start receiving your emails as they arrive. This will enhance your productivity by allowing you to respond quickly to messages. Syncing Gmail means you won't miss important updates or communications. Regular synchronization is key for staying organized and on top of your emails. If you ever notice delays in receiving emails, returning to this setting can help troubleshoot the issue. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled sync in Gmail on your Android device. This simple process ensures that you are always connected and up to date with your emails. Thank you for following along and enjoy your seamless email experience.